Application and database modernization are becoming more vital in today's digital world. Outdated, inefficient, and incompatible third-party applications, licensing challenges, code review processes, security, and costs make it necessary to migrate applications and data to modern systems. Organizations must optimize their application and database landscape in order to create better, more responsive, and more resilient apps and databases. Cloud Intel's assessment solution is the key that enables businesses to transform into live enterprises by modernizing their legacy application and database landscape without causing any disruption to day-to-day operations. Assess your application and database portfolio from a technical and business perspective with Cloud Intel. Cloud Intel evaluates your current applications and databases, IT priorities, and recommends a strategy for modernization based on the 5R framework. Rehost, refactor, rebuild, re-architect and replace. 5R strategy can help you build the foundation and achieve quick wins, optimize IT cost, app and data estate modernization, digital transformation, and business innovation. Cloud Intel provides a roadmap, summary of current environment, an assessment of cloud readiness, and code review process. These results include TCO analysis, application and database migration readiness, and application and database modernization. Connect with us to start your modernization assessment with Click2Cloud today. Click2Cloud.com